E1.1, define the terms stimulus response and reflex in the context of human behavior. Stimulus is a change in the environment, whether it be external or internal, that is detected by a receptor. Response is a change in an organism in action resulting from a stimulus. Reflex is a type of response that is rapid and involuntary or unconscious.
E1.2. Explain the role of receptors, sensory neurons, relay neurons, motor neurons, synapses, and effectors in the response of animals to stimuli. The stimulus activates a receptor which carries a signal through sensory neurons to the CNS. Relay neurons carry the signal within the CNS, and motor neurons carry the signal from the CNS to effectors which activate a response. Synapses are the junctions between two nerve cells and transmit a signal across these junctions.
E1.3, draw and label a diagram of a reflex arc for a pain withdrawal reflex. And now to Pilar with a beautiful rendition of this diagram. Moving on to E2, the assessment statement, E2.2, is to label a diagram of the structure of a human eye.
The next assessment statement we'll be covering is E2.4, compare rod and cone cells. Rod and cone cells are both found in the retina and are cells that are used as visual receptors. Cone cells for daytime light or bright light, and rod cells for nighttime light.
As Pilar demonstrates, E2.6, labeling a diagram of the ear. I will explain assessment statement E2.7, explaining how sound is perceived by the ear, including the roles of the eardrum, bones of the middle ear, round and oval windows, and hair cells of the cochlea. Sound travels as pressure waves in the air push the membrane of the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. The degrees of the vibration will vary according to the frequency and amplitude of these sound waves. The eardrum pushes the bones of the middle ear, the ossicles, which magnify the vibrations. The bones of the middle ear are known as the hammer, anvil, and stirrup. The ossicles push against the oval window, displacing fluids within the cochlea. Movement of the cochlear fluid affects the position of the cilia on sensory hair cells. Cilia on hair cells vary in length, and each resonates to a different frequency of sound. Activation of hair cells generate nerve impulses, which are transmitted via the auditory nerve to the brain. The kinetic motion of the cochlear fluid is dissipated by the movement of the round window.